Sometimes going viral isn't all it's cracked up to be. Welcome to WatchMojo.com, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 YouTube scandals. Before we begin, we publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content. For this list, we're taking a look at drama bombs on the popular video sharing site. Whether it's copyright infringement or unethical prank videos, they're all fair game here. Number 10. YouTube heroes and subscriber bug. 2016 will go down as a write-off for just about everybody, especially YouTube. Throughout the year, many YouTubers saw a hefty dip in their subscribers and were understandably a bit miffed. In response to the outcry, YouTube kind of admitted they didn't know what was happening, later saying it was a bug.
What is happening, YouTube? I need answers!
To add fuel to the rage fire, YouTube then came out with YouTube Heroes in September 2016, a program that would allow users to flag videos, report users, and assist in closed captioning. Basically, they wanted people to work for YouTube for free. In a sad twist of irony, the community backlash was so brutal that YouTube disabled the comments section on the video. Talk about a downvote. Number 9. Hossein Sadeh v. Klein. You may know these parties better as YouTube personalities Bold Guy and H3H3 Productions. For those unfamiliar with the works of Ethan and Hila Klein, their two channels H3H3 and Ethan and Hila boast comedy skits, reaction videos, and YouTube criticism. When they reacted to a video uploaded by Matt Hosszone, the channel's owner, Matthew Hossein Zadeh, didn't take too kindly to the slamming, or their use of his content.
You know, when you watch a porn, you endure this shit because you know it's going somewhere. But here, it's like there's no payoff.
His lawyer demanded the video be taken down, never spoken of again, and wanted $4,000 in compensation. The lawsuit continued, causing big names like Philip DeFranco and the Fine brothers to band together to help fund H3H3's defense in the name of fair use. Number 8. Marina Joyce fake kidnapping. In July 2016, this young beauty vlogger came under serious scrutiny. In a video about date outfits, Marina Joyce seemed to be behaving strangely.
Click the link or click this right now if you would like to buy their clothes.
Her fans immediately noticed she wasn't her normal energetic self, and some even thought they could see bruises on her body. Many took these as signs Joyce was in danger, with some even speculating she was kidnapped by ISIS. The hashtag #SaveMarinaJoyce quickly spread online, with fears escalating to the point that authorities visited her home. In reality, the video was just an awkward advertisement, and her bruises a result of a tumble in the woods prior to shooting the video. Whether this was a stunt Joyce pulled, the real deal, or just a lot of jumping to conclusions, it's still quite something. Number 7. Toby Turner's rape allegations. Famous for his literal trailers and humorous music videos,
Hooded man watches from a distance.
Toby Turner, also known as Tobuscus, came under fire in spring 2016 for accusations of rape and sexual assault from ex-girlfriend and YouTube personality April F. Soon after, another of Turner's ex-girlfriends, Amelia Talon, came forward, saying that Turner had pressured her into using drugs and had also abused her. Jacqueline Glenn, another ex, did speak out in support of Turner, though she also claimed that she often felt pressured but not forced to do things during their relationship. In November, she posted again, saying that Turner was incessantly messaging her and that she just wanted the whole ordeal to stop. Number 6. Ray William Johnson sued over fair use. In a similar fashion to H3H3 and Matt Hosszone, longtime YouTuber Ray William Johnson went through a couple of legal disputes with Jukin Media. Johnson's videos on Equals3 often feature commentary on content from other creators, and it was this format that got him in trouble. Jukin Media claimed that up to 48 videos violated the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, and should be deleted. The issue eventually made its way to court, with Johnson arguing that his videos were transformative and made new content out of the original videos.
Like, I've written more jokes about viral videos than any one human should ever have to write.
While the initial judgments ruled in Johnson's favor, the case was resolved in a seemingly positive manner for all parties involved. Number 5. Nicole Arbour and Matthew Santoro. YouTuber Nicole Arbour is best known for her infamous Dear Fat People video, in which she harshly criticized obese people.
Dear fat people. Some people are already really mad at this video.
She made more than a few enemies with her comments, all the while gaining a lot of publicity.
Did you expect to offend people? Are you surprised that people offended?
100%.
However, she came into the news again for another YouTube-related fiasco. Matthew Santoro, who's best known for his factual list videos, posted a video revealing that he had an emotionally and physically abusive relationship.
This person prevented me from leaving their home. I was hit in the face.
In a video from January 2016 titled My Abuse Story, he talked about the relationship and the ensuing drama. It wasn't confirmed that he was referring to Arbour until she posted calling him a little bitch and stated that he was using her for attention.
I just lost my shit.
Number 4, Drama Alert and the RuneScape pedophile. No one can stir up the drama quite like Keemstar of the controversial Drama Alert channel. However, sometimes he and the channel jump the gun, and in this case, someone got hurt. Drama Alert found a news story about a gamer named John Phillips using RuneScape to lure young women, and singled out Twitch streamer Tony as the pedophile, except he was not the guy. Tony soon received death threats and hateful messages, reducing him to tears. YouTuber Scarce entered the scene and called out Keemstar's lack of fact-checking, stating that the actual molester was still in prison and that Tony was an innocent man. Keemstar issued an apology video and offered the man money in damages, but many thought sorry wasn't nearly enough.
I know the responsible thing is to acknowledge that we got this wrong. Take down the fucking video.
Number 3, CSGO Lotto, T. Martin and the Syndicate Project. In 2013, Counter-Strike Global Offensive became more customizable for users, giving them the option of skins. Soon, sites popped up giving users, no matter how old they were, the chance to trade and gamble these coveted items on Counter-Strike games on Steam. YouTuber Honor the Call started noticing that Trevor Martin, known as T. Martin, and Tom Cassell of the Syndicate Project both won a lot of money on CSGOLotto.com, which was used to win the in-game items.
Oh my god!
He then uncovered that Martin and Cassell were CSGO Lotto's president and vice president, respectively, which they had not mentioned.
Apparently, these two have been allegedly faking gambling and also faking winning.
What started as a mother suing the game's developer for allowing her young son to gamble soon resulted in a class action lawsuit against Martin and Cassell, who had broken the Federal Trade Commission rules. Number 2, Sam Pepper's killing best friend prank. Former Big Brother housemate Sam Pepper is now most known for prank videos. In 2014, one of his videos featured him touching women without their consent, but a year later, he went to a whole new level. The video depicts Pepper in disguise, kidnapping online personalities Sam Golbach and Colby Brock, then forcing Golbach to watch Brock get shot.
No! He's everything I have! Oh my god!
Pepper was shocked by the horrified response, and Golbach expressed the video's point was about, quote, living life to the full.
I thought you actually died. Dude.
When petitions called for Pepper to be banned from YouTube, he responded with a GoFundMe page, promising to delete his YouTube account if pledges hit $1.5 million. By February 2016, Pepper began privatizing his videos and purging his Twitter account before re-emerging as a vlogger. Before we expose our top pick, here are some dishonorable mentions.
No way! Are you serious right now? If there was anything he wanted to say or do, I was so fucking open about everything.
Number 1, the Fine Brothers React World. Best known for their reaction videos, the Fine Brothers announced plans in 2016 to license their format to creators and trademark the term React.
We are excited to announce React World.
Many saw this as a move to capitalize on what is a very common format, and the Fine Brothers were met with heavy criticism from both viewers and fellow content creators. YouTubers with reaction videos were slammed with copyright strikes or requests for compensation, and the Fine Brothers suffered a loss of around 675,000 subscribers. On February 1st, 2016, Raffi and Benny Fine halted the React World program and decided to face the music. but it's gonna be hard to ever forget this bad business move.
We were never trying to say that every video where someone reacts to something else is something we would try to control.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from WatchMojo and subscribe for new videos every day.